Hi guys, let me show you how to make this floating text effect in Premiere Pro less than 2 minutes. To start, select the Type tool, go to Preview window and type a text. Then select the Selection tool, resize and reposition the text as you want. Now select the text layer in the timeline and go to Effect Controls panel. Make sure that the time indicator is at the start of the layer and click on the stopwatch next to the position to make a keyframe. Now move forward around 20 frames, or even more if you want slower animation. Then click on this motion and dragging your text around slightly. Move time indicator forward 20 frames again and adjust the position very slightly again. Repeat these steps a few times, then select all keyframes and press Ctrl-C to copy them. Move 20 frames forward after the last keyframe, then press Ctrl-V to paste them. This will save you a lot of time. If you now play back the video, you can see your animation, but we can make it even more smooth. Select all keyframes, right-click on any of them, go to Temporal Interpolation and select Bezier. Now this is the final result, and that's why you should subscribe to my channel. Wishing you all the best and see you in the next video.